Hello, Somerset by Career. I'm just having a play about at the moment. I've just recently had delivered today the remote for me Hero 8 and Hero 10. They're both connected to the remote at the moment, and for me to do a video, press that, and as you can see now they're both recording, and then to stop them from recording, turn it off there, and then to start again, they're both on, and then to stop it, and you can also turn them off with the remote. Push the mode button on the side of the remote, keep it pressed, and you can see they're both powering off. Power it on, press the red button, and they've both powered on. There can be a bit of a delay, but you can see they're both on, and to start record, they're both recording. And when I want to finish recording, press the red button again, and they've turned off. And then to turn them off, the mode button, keep it depressed, and it turns them all off.